Good morning. Okay, y'all should have completed your reading Nearpod activity, continuing our research on step number 3 in our research. So for social studies, you're going to complete a social studies activity in Google Classroom. So you're going to go to classwork. You're going to find Monday social studies must do. And the directions are right here. So you're going to watch the Nearpod video on Thomas Edison right here. Then you're going to read the book and epic on Thomas Edison. After you've watched the Nearpod video and read the book and epic on Thomas Edison, you're going to complete the social studies assignment right here. It says use the word bank. Use the word bank to fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. So here's the word bank right here. You're going to use the names of the different scientists and inventors in the word bank to complete and match each sentence. Okay, you're going to type their names right here. So invented a machine to make paper grocery bags. Who invented that? You're going to type their name right here. Remember, once you've used their name, you're not going to use it again. After you've completed this activity, you're going to go back to Google Classroom and turn it in. Again, first you're going to watch the video in Nearpod on Thomas Edison. Then you're going to read the book and epic on Thomas Edison. Then complete the activity. If you need to use your Studies Weekly article, guys, please feel free to do so. Remember, this is what you're doing during asynchronous social studies time. So this should be completed before I see you guys for math this afternoon at 12 o'clock. I'll see y'all later. Bye.